So we're basically looking at that versus that. I'm back at the travel trailer. One thing that I'd like to address is the lighting. Um, this is a fantastic travel trailer, but the lighting in it is very poor for a full-time office. So let's go in and check it out. All the lights on in here, and I don't know if the camera does it justice, but this is my full-time office, and it's pretty dark in here. I did make these lights LEDs with just like an Amazon LED swap light bulb change. I don't think that was adequate, so we're gonna try now changing out the fixture to an LED. I think it goes up to about 800 lumas from 500 lumas. So I've got this box here, some model numbers. Let's open it up. Looks like I've got some instructions, and it came with 2 packs of lights. Did come with some little screws. There is a dimmer switch on there, and it does let you change the tone of or the color of the light too. I'm gonna shut that off. Oh. There we go. Come on. There we go. Oh, so here's the light bulb that I had put in. And can you see it there? There you go, right there. So I got those off of Amazon. 20 bucks or so for a pack of quite a few. I think it was 2 packs, maybe 1 pack to do the whole trailer. We're out. The 12 volt is on, so we could turn that off. Probably ideal. Oh, scare me. And how do you turn this sucker off? For test run, is it brighter? So that's on low, and you can turn it up. Oh my. Okay, that's full blast. Way, way, way brighter. And then there's different colors. Yellow. Kind of a nice warm. Blue. So 3 of the LEDs. So we're basically looking at that versus that. I mean, there's quite a number of LEDs on there, but these guys are just bigger and brighter. Let's bang on. Go on. Okay. Okay. Whoa, we are bright. White. Ooh, can't say I like the orange, but maybe if you turned it down. That guy's good right there. We can turn it right down. Oh, that's great. I'm gonna like that. Okay, I'm gonna change out this other one. Right here. That guy right there. So right there, that little wire was pre-connected. I'm just gonna twist it so that when I pull it off, the wire's twisted already. I'll leave links in the description below for both the LED bulbs that we used and the fixtures that we used. Both are quick little enhancements that you can use. I really did like the LED bulbs in the little cupboards and by the kids' beds and so forth, but these fixtures were excellent. It's really nice how you can dim them, and I highly recommend them. That's so much brighter. Love it. Okay, that's it. We're done. Job well done. Thanks so much for watching. And looks like I got some extra LED lights and I need to do a little cleanup here, okay? Let's go with the bright mode.